Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're diving into something really visual, those incredible red rock formations you see, particularly thinking about North America, like in the Bighorn Basin and Canyon.
Yeah, they're really stunning.
And they're more than just pretty landscapes, right? They're like clues about Earth's really distant past.
Exactly. We're drawing on insights about Pangea, ancient climates, geology, even satellite images of the Bighorn Canyon area.
Okay, so our mission basically is to figure out why red, what does this tell us about how Earth used to be, and why are they so prominent right there in that spot?
It's fascinating stuff. It all starts way back, maybe 220 million years ago, the Triassic period. North America was jammed into the supercontinent Pangea.
Pangea, right. Hard to even picture a landmass that big. So the climate must have been wild.
Oh, totally different. Think extreme seasons, especially in the tropics. They call them megamonsoons. We're talking really intense wet periods followed by incredibly harsh dry spells.
Megamonsoons, wow. So these huge swings in weather, they actually changed the rock.
They changed the sediments that became the rock. It led to widespread oxidation, like rusting.
Rusting, seriously. The ground was rusting.
Kind of, yeah. Over long periods, iron-rich minerals in the surface sediments oxidized, especially during those dry periods. This created layers and layers of reddish material, colored by hematite, that's just iron oxide, basically rust.
And these are the red beds people talk about.
That's them. And you don't just find them in North America, they're on other continents, too. It's like a global signature of that Pangea climate.
Okay, so zooming in on North America, the Bighorn Basin up in Wyoming and Montana is a key spot for this.
Absolutely. It's this big, sort of oval-shaped basin, mountains around it, famous for fossils, oil, gas, too. But geologically, the Chugwater Formation there is a classic example of these red beds, really distinct reddish layers.
Chugwater Formation, got it.
Yeah.
But these layers, they weren't formed flat like we see them sometimes, tilted and folded.
Well, they were deposited flat, horizontally, like most sediments. But then geology happened.
Ah, right. Pangea didn't last forever.
Nope. It started breaking apart. Continents drifted. And where plates collided, massive forces buckled and folded the existing rock layers, including those red beds.
So the Rockies forming, that process bent these ancient red layers.
Exactly. The same immense pressures that pushed up the Rocky Mountains folded and tilted the Chugwater Formation. You can actually see these sharp folds near the northern end of the Bighorn Basin. It's pretty dramatic.
Wow. And that satellite image mentioned, the Landsat one, it shows these folds.
Yeah, from June 2024, it gives you this amazing bird's eye view of these ancient folds meeting the canyon.
Which brings us to Bighorn Canyon itself. Cutting deep, right? Like 2,500 feet down.
It's incredible. The Bighorn River carved that canyon over millions of years, slicing right through those folded red rocks. It's like opening a geology textbook.
So you can literally see the layers, the folds, everything right there in the canyon walls.
Pretty much. And when they built the Yellowtail Dam and created the Bighorn Canyon National Recreation Area back in '66, it preserved this amazing geological story.
And it's not just rocks, is it? There's mention of Jurassic fossils.
Mm-hmm. Remnants of life from another era, locked in the layers above or below the red beds. Plus, you've got wildlife, bighorn sheep, wild horses, coyotes.
And ancient human history, too. Native American trails.
Yeah, it's a place where deep geological time, natural history, and human history all kind of intersect. No wonder over 200,000 people visit each year.
It really puts it all together. The red color from Pangea's crazy climate, the folding from mountain building, the canyon carving it open.
It's a direct line from a supercontinent's atmosphere through massive tectonic shifts right to the landscape we see today. Those red rocks are a visual record of just how dynamic Earth is.
So wrapping this up, those striking red canyons, they're basically monuments to ancient climates and colossal geological forces, a reminder of a very different Earth.
Absolutely. And it makes you wonder, doesn't it? How many other places that maybe look ordinary on the surface have these incredibly deep, dramatic histories written in their stones, just waiting to be read, something to think about next time you're out exploring?